We are super excited to show you what we just made with nothing else but the WeCreat Vista limited edition pink edition. This thing is amazing. It's going to blow your mind. All right, we didn't make the light bulbs. You can't make those with a laser, but check this out. How beautiful is that? Multi-layered with clear acrylic on the front. Oh my God, look at this thing. It's fabulous. All done with nothing else but the WeCreat Vista. Check this out. This is the pink version, special limited edition, and here's what it looks like. So easy to take out of the box. The thing weighs about 32 pounds, so super light that anybody can handle this. And the benefit is you can put it just about anywhere. Unlike those ginormous lasers where you need an entire room or entire workshop, this one we actually set up in our kitchen, and I will show you this too. And there it is in beautiful pink. This is the most amazing color. A couple of little protective rivets, just pull those out of the side, and here's everything you get in this kit. There's a whole bunch of different options where you can get rotary assemblies, you could get extra materials with it too. So check the website when you go to WeCreat and pick the set that's best for you. So take the inside styrofoam out, very, very well packaged and protected. It's all locked down. So these two screws you're going to need to remove before you use the machine. And there's two on each side, and they're pointed out very, very easily. I love that they put a piece of tape in there to show you exactly which screws you need to take out so you don't take the wrong ones out. And here's the two on the right side. Just remove that, and that keeps the carriage securely in place so it doesn't get messed up during shipping. So they've really done an outstanding job packing this thing to ship it around the world. And here's your tray. It's got a nice little handle on the edge. Just find the two little grooves in there. It takes a second, just slide it in there. And there's your work area, one of the biggest diode laser work areas in the industry. It's huge, believe me. It's big enough to do just about everything you want to do with a desktop laser. You're going to pop your grates in there too. This is going to give you a little bit of airflow underneath when you're doing cutting, and it's going to allow you to catch these scraps underneath. And here are two little plugs for the sides, two little rubber plugs that are going to help keep this insulated. It's going to keep all the smoke inside when you're cutting and engraving and pass it through the exhaust. And that's exactly what you want. Now you're going to turn the back towards your front because you're going to need to do a few things back here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the Air Assist kit. I'm very excited that the Air Assist is included with the WeCreat Vista. That's nice. Some other companies charge you extra for this. That's ridiculous because you need it. So you need Air Assist when you're cutting to blow those flames and all the soot and all the dust away for a much cleaner cut. So easy. You plug it in, doesn't require a separate power cord. All the power comes from your WeCreat Vista. And here is the air hose. You put this side on the Air Assist module. It looks like an aquarium pump, and that's essentially what it is. It's a modified aquarium pump. And then you take this tube and it goes right in there. Everything's labeled very clearly. Just push it in there real good and it's ready to go, and it will kick on whenever you're doing cutting and whenever you need it to apply that Air Assist for clean cuts. Now here is the exhaust assembly, and this is nice because they give you the hose and everything. Here is the adapter, which is going to hold it on the back. It's a standard 3-inch tube, and you just take these 4 nuts off. Just pop them all off there. And then you're going to slide the adapter right on top of there. Real easy to do. If they're a little tight, they give you that wrench, and you just pop it off and take those nuts off and then put them back on there to secure this adapter right on there. Real simple, real easy to do. And this is critical. You do want to ventilate these things because there's some nasty smoke that comes from cutting acrylic and wood, so you definitely don't want to breathe that. Loosen this up. The other side of the wrench you could use as a flathead screwdriver. How convenient is that? You don't need any other tools. And here's the hose. It is flexible and expandable, and you just slide that right on there. Just kind of twist it on and then put the bracket on there, and you are ready to go. That's going to be a nice tight seal there and keep all the fumes exactly where you want them. WeCreat also offers a fume extractor, so definitely look into that. We use one so we could use this in our kitchen, and that's what allows you to use this indoors in your craft room or your bedroom and your studio, where you don't have to worry about breathing those fumes. And here's your USB cord. It all comes with it. Your power cord's included. Everything you need is here. Some lasers make you buy your own USB cord, but WeCreat includes it. Now we're going to turn it back towards the front. We are just about ready to go. Just a few more things and we're ready to cut. Well, let's plug it in and make sure everything's good. And we're going to flip on the power switch is in the back. We're going to take the protective film off. And we are just about ready to rock and roll. Here's our first cut. We decided we wanted to cut some metallic acrylic, and WeCreat offers a whole bunch of different materials on their website. Super convenient, and you know that they work with the WeCreat laser engravers and cutting machines. Look at this. Is that adorable? And it's like metallic. It's a metallic acrylic, which is completely laser safe. And we're going to do did you know they have a rotary assembly? Look at this. You can do a full wrap on a tumbler, on a 40-ounce tumbler with the world's first flip laser. And we did a video on that. That is amazing. You need to see that. So look on our channel and you'll see how this thing works. The actual laser head flips sideways. And it still blows my mind how they're able to figure out that technology. Geniuses at WeCreat. Look at that, a full wrap tumbler. Just in time for Valentine's Day. And it looks great. It looks like something you would buy in a store. Amazing. WeCreat limited edition Pink Vista. You need this in your life. We are making t-shirts. It'll cut HTV that's laser safe, which WeCreat also sells. Your creativity will be unbounded and unlimited. Love this machine.